अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सिर्फ बात में एक बार फिर खुशामदीद। तो आज बात करते हैं MCQs फिजिक्स 10th क्लास के लिए। तो इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं, नोट कर लीजिए, आपके इम्तिहानात में आपको बहुत काम देने वाले हैं, तकरीबन तमाम ही बोर्ड्स के लिए। तो सबसे पहला MCQ है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट प्रोसेसिंग। तो इसका अरेंजिंग, मैनिपुलेटिंग, कैलकुलेटिंग, गैदरिंग। तो करेक्ट आंसर है डी, gathering. So the second one is a device which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy is called AC generator, DC generator, transformer, electroscope. The correct answer is A, AC generator. Third MCQ है जी, speed of light in water is 2.3 by 10 ms1, 3.0, 10 ms1, 2.5 or 2.0. Correct answer is 8. The next up MCQ is number 4. The process by which electrons are emitted by a hot metal surface is known as boiling, evaporation, conduction or thermionic emission. Correct answer is D, thermionic emission. MCQ number 5. Which part of DC motor reverse the direction of current through the coil every half cycle? So armature, commutator, brushes or slip rings. Correct answer is D, slip ring. MCQ number 6. The loudness of a sound is most closely related to its frequency, period, wavelength, amplitude. Correct answer is D, amplitude. So next MCQ is, image formed by camera is real, inverted and diminished. B, virtual, upright and diminished. Virtual, upright and magnified or real, inverted and magnified. इसका correct answer है जी A, real, inverted and diminished. Number 8, capacitance is defined as VCQ slash C QV VQ. Correct answer is C, Q slash V. Number 9, the number of neutrons in a uranium U isotope are. Correct answer is 146. MCQ number 10. When did Graham Bell make a simple telephone? I think everyone knows that. Correct answer is A, 1876. What happens to the intensity or the brightness of the lamps connected in series as more? Correct answer is B, decreases. So MCQ number 12. When water waves enter the region of shallow water, their wavelength. Correct answer is D, their wavelength decreases. Capacitance is defined as, this is the same I think, duplicate. Number 14, power of hair dryer is 15 watt, 1200 watt, 800 or 1000 watt. So hair dryer जो बिजली कंज्यूम करती है वो 1000 वाट है, ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो आयरन आपकी इस्त्री के बराबर. The half life of a certain isotope is 1 day. What is the quantity of the isotope after 2 days? 1 half, 1 quarter, 1/8, 1/16. So correct answer is B, 1 quarter. Next MCQ is the half-life of cobalt CO is. Correct answer is C, 30 years. So now next is MCQ number 17. The brain of any computer system is, I hope you knows everyone, right? CPU. So correct answer is CPU, the brain of computer memory. Intensity of sound of lawn power. Answer is B, 10 to WM2. The particles emitted from a hard cathode surface are called. Correct answer is D, electrons. MCQ number 20. The index of refraction depends on the object distance, image distance, the focal length, the speed light. Correct answer is D. So these are the 20 important MCQs. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए और सब्सक्राइब का बटन क्लिक कर दीजिए। बहुत शुक्रिया।